peer into cracks and slivers where honesty can be found, we realise we are lost, even though we haven't left home. When we listen for the melody of our lives, it is drowned out by the endless drumbeat of a forced march, and we feel our exhaustion at a deep soul level. This is a very good moment, containing a hidden gift. Most of us miss it because we are too afraid to leave the forced march. This life is about finding hidden beginnings and pursuing the endless adventure of becoming. Your life is not firm and fixed, and you cannot find it by submitting to a forced march. You are not a noun, you are a verb. You are endlessly becoming. This life is about partnering with God and creating and becoming, using every bit of pain and promise that your actual life is included. All of the breakdowns and the breakthroughs are ingredients in this dynamic stew of becoming, which is bubbling within you even as you hear these words. Yes, all of the breakdowns too, because endings have a role to play if we are going to see and embrace beginnings. All those hopes that stayed secret and died silent, lonely deaths. All the soaring dreams that came true and then crashed down around you, leaving you wounded and buried in the rubble. This life, for better or for worse, is about selling the farm and setting out on a dangerous and transformational journey of becoming who you actually are in the world. Beginnings are always lurking in the shadows, though we'd prefer them to be printed on billboards. Beginnings find us and change us, and they take us on journeys over which we have little control. The beginnings that change us contain much more mystery than mastery. There is something deep inside of you so good that you're most likely suppressing it, because you can't believe that bringing it to life might help to heal the world. You need to bring it out, over and over again.